In today's video, I'll teach you how to make Snapchat music longer. So if you want to make the Snapchat music longer, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. You can see over here, Snapchat has been opened. Normally, if you click the snap and if you add the music, it will only be available for 15 to 20 seconds. But if you want to make the Snapchat music longer, what you have to do is simply record a video. For that, what you have to do is tap on the record icon that you can see on the screen, or you can also upload the video from the memories. Simply tap on any option of your choice. Here I'm just going to upload the video from the memory. Select the video which is long enough. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, add a sound that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to add the sound over here. Simply tap on the music that you would like to add to this video. Now after you do that, you can see over here the music will be added. The duration of the music will depend on the duration of the video. Longer the video you upload, the longer the music will be. So like this, you'll be able to make the Snapchat music longer. So that is how you make Snapchat music longer. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.